What if your waste heat became your next big saving? We turn it into drying power. Using 44 to 94 degrees Celsius waste heat to cut electricity costs. Only 40 kilowatt hours per ton. Synergy with high-energy equipment, enabling circular economy. With just a few taps, the system runs fully automatically. Anti-corrosion, sealed, odorless, efficient. Suitable for chemical, food, environmental industries worldwide. "75% more energy efficient than traditional evaporators. Perfect for sludge, biomass, industrial waste, wherever energy matters." Click to save energy and money. Ready to turn waste heat into real profit? Contact SHINCCI today.